React Native. Write JavaScript and React to build apps for iOS, Android, and the web from a single codebase. According to Atwood's law, any application that can be written in JavaScript will eventually be written in JavaScript. The first way JS developers tried to build mobile apps was by wrapping their native applications in a sandbox browser called a web view, using tools like Apache Cordova and Adobe PhoneGap. The philosophy is write once, run anywhere. This works, but it can be hard to make a website feel like a true native experience. React Native takes a different approach. It feels just like React DOM for the web, but instead of using HTML and the DOM as building blocks for the UI, it uses the native components that you would find on iOS and Android. The philosophy is learn once, write anywhere. You can't just take your existing React web app and upload it to the App Store, but you can use the React skills you already have to build a native app without ever having to touch Java or Objective-C. Instead, you import building block components like button, switch, scroll view, and the most fundamental of which is view. At runtime, it will use the true native component on the corresponding platform, like UI view, Android.view, or div on the web. It's like building 3 apps for the price of one, but in some cases, you may want a different visual experience based on the underlying OS. The platform module allows you to check which platform you're on and render different components accordingly. When it comes to visuals, there's no CSS in React Native. Instead, every core component takes a style prop that can be customized with a style sheet constructed from JavaScript. In development, it supports fast refresh, which means you can instantly see the changes you make to your code on any platform. You may also want to tap into native features like the device camera, push notifications, and geolocation. These concerns are handled by one of the most active open source communities on GitHub. There's open source packages for almost everything that can be installed with npm just like any other JavaScript project, and there's frameworks like Expo that build on top of React Native primitives to provide all the tooling required to ship your app to production. You can use React Native to build a complete mobile app or integrate it with existing iOS and Android projects. It's not an all or nothing solution. This has been React Native in 100 seconds. If you want to see more short videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe. And let me know if you want to see more React Native content in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.